The dusty and poor nature of roads in Manson Kwanta and its environs have become a burden for residents over the years. Concerned residents have bemoaned the poor nature of their roads, but their call has yielded no results. Several attempts to construct the road have failed, although the former MP for Manson Kwanta, Professor Albert Kwam, took it upon himself to rehabilitate them.
You will recall that some time ago I was a member of parliament here and I lobbied for almost 10 of the routes, total about 110 kilometers, to be given to contract. As at the time that I was leaving office as a member of parliament, 10 routes have been awarded to contracts. But the reality is that even when I left, they were on the road working. But at some point, they all deserted. They have abandoned the routes. People have been complaining here and there. I don't want such thing to happen.
Aggrieved residents want the government to rehabilitate their roads as a matter of urgency.
How no said we be cry na ambulance ambulance or fast okra kwatwa kronkoble they take care with baby and I want to hinsu na wo no ontu tumi yiri na timi den a block kwan kan ko kama.
We are unable to aid sick persons because of the bad road. It takes hours to move on this road. Women and men all have to cover themselves when using the road. Government should help fix our road. We need the road. The bad road is affecting our work here. The nasty road is all over us when we are making sales, so we plead with government to come to our aid. Government should kindly fix our road. It's difficult using the stretch when it rains. The dust is killing us.
For Joy News, Nana Boachidan Kwayadom, Kumasi.